My name is Terry Bryan. I'm the Marina Manager here at MarineMax Fort Myers. I've been managing the Marina element for about 7 years, but I've worked on the property for 23 years. We used to have just a lot of dirt and gravel, old barns. Now we have brand new racks. Everything is new and shiny, and we're still continuing to grow. We're not done yet. We do dry storage and wet storage. Our dry storage is not enclosed. It's an open rack facility, and then we do have wet slips as well. Yes, it's anywhere from, it's either 4 or 3 tiers. We take boats up to about 44 feet in length, about 40,000 pounds. So we're, one of our brands that we carry, the 42 Outrage, fits very nicely in our first levels. There's a lot of things, I think, as most companies will tell you, but I think it's especially true here, it's our team. We have a full service marina, so we've got, if you've got a problem with your boat and you're storing it here, we have a service team that's here to help you. You want to change your boat, we have a sales team to get you into a new boat. The team that moves your boat treats it like their own, and we have a very skilled, very talented team that's been around for a while. The biggest factor between dry and wet is going to be the size of the boat. There is a middle ground, I would say, between about 35 to 40 feet where you have the option. The best part of a wet slip is you don't have to schedule a haul and launch. You can just come and use your boat whenever you want. But with the dry storage, you are at the mercy of there being a spot to have it put in the water. We use a program called Boat Cloud. It's an app that you can just from your phone, you can go in, you just schedule, pick the day, pick the time. There's a section you can put notes if you'd like us to fill the boat up for you, make sure there's ice on board, whatever. So it's very, very simple. When you're done at the end of the day, you just come back, you wash off the top of your boat and click OK to stow, and you're done. Your work is done. We take over from there. Even sticking with the storage element, something that we offer that I've learned recently, even some of our competitors that I assumed did this, is what the services that we do for you when you're done. Once you click that OK to stow, we're going to pull your boat out. We have new high-speed fuel pumps where we can actually fill your boat before we put it away. So when you want to use it on Sunday morning, you're not 10th in line at the fuel dock. You can get on your boat and go. We have, once we bring it out, we flush your engines for you, which can take quite a bit of time. So again, you're washing the top and you're leaving. We're gonna flush it. We're gonna wash it with soapy water from the water line down. So it's gonna be cleaned. We're gonna put your covers back on for you and put it away. All the things that would generally take anybody anywhere from a half an hour to an hour and a half to do when you're done with your day. We take care of that. And then we also have a beautiful members lounge where we have shower facilities, we have a coffee and water station, we have a ship store, we have a restaurant that sits at the front of the property. Sunset from the back of the restaurant are to die for. I mean, all year round you get the most beautiful sunsets from the back porch. If they just call our main number, which is 239-481-8200, you can ask for Terry or Nicole. Both of us would be happy to go over, let you know what we have, go over in a little bit more detail what we have available, what we have to offer, and